welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it so very much. I finally am unboxing my Ipsy for not only January, but also December because they came so late. Both months I was already out of town for the holidays by the time my December box came, and my January one just barely came this week. So I'm getting it up as fast as I can. I do have the glam bag or the bigger box because I did do some add-ons. I'm gonna show you the add-ons first. This is the reason why it's in that such a giant box, is because I got the ultimate bag. I don't think this was worth $12 to be honest with you, but I thought it was really pretty. I kind of like it. It's fairly good sized. I like the style of it. I feel like I can use it. I will use it. It's a little cheaper of material than I was expecting, if I'm honest. The other add-ons I got were the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream and Sea Kissed. I really enjoy this hand cream in the winter because my hands get so dry, and this is really moisturizing and really expensive, but for $3 it's not a bad deal at all. So I try to pick it up whenever they have those type of things. And then I got the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser because I was interested in trying it. It is sealed, so I'm not going to open it because I'm using other cleansers right at the moment, but I am excited to use those. All right, so this is the bag this month. It looks like the other one. I'll show you size comparison. So it is quite a bit bigger than the Ipsy. This feels a little bit nicer than this one. This one feels a little bit chintzier, if I think that's a good word for it. All right, and then we have our little card, which tells you what you get. It doesn't give you prices though, unfortunately. We'll see if we actually need it. There is one item that was outside of the bag, which is this brush, which I do like that it matches. It's that nice marbled finish as well. It is a Farrah face brush. It's pretty densely packed. I don't know if I would use this for blush because usually I like a looser powder or looser brush for my blush, but yeah, we'll figure out how to use it. It is really pretty. I do enjoy that. I think that's nice. All right, now grabbing out of the bag. This first thing is from J.J. Young by Kaolian Lab. It is a pore glow mask. So it says to leave on and rinse. Okay, so just a regular old mask. That will be interesting to try. I have like 100 masks that I need to work on right now, but we'll get around to it eventually. Then we have Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original. I have not heard of Vanilla Co. It's like vanilla, but with a B. It doesn't have a scent to it, but I will definitely use this because I'm always taking makeup off, so might as well, you know, use it. Then we have this from Beauty for Real. It says Brooke USA Debbie Lip Balm. That's kind of a pretty color. We'll give it a swatch. I am wearing this like giant cozy sweater today because it is cold and just overcast and rainy. There's not really much to it at all. There's not like a lot of shade. And it has a light, like pleasant scent. Nothing like overwhelming or anything. All right, last thing in this box is from Ciate London. This is what I actually chose. It is the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. And I found out, because I was making, actually no, I'll save that story for a minute. All right, so this is what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. It has like that pretty color swirl to it. Nice and light. I know some people are getting different color choices now based on their skin color. Yeah, it's pretty. I don't know if it's like amazing and wonderful, but I'll be interested to use it. I do love blush. All right, let's open my December one. And I did get extras in this one as well, and I'll try to I'm going to use this as my cheat sheet to remember what because I stuffed it all in the bag when I got it finally. All right, this first one is something I bought, was in my bag. This is the Aromatica Rose Absolute First Serum. So serums I will always use, even if I don't like them for my face, I use them for my neck and my chest because I'm always putting that on. Then the next thing is, this is what I chose. This is the Belle and Argent lipstick in Click Your Heels, which I liked because it reminded me of Wizard of Oz. I couldn't think of the word. And then there's little like stars on the tube. And this is what it looks like. I was not going to swatch any more red lipsticks because I have so many. I just did a red lipstick, but I really am interested in this formula, so I am going to try it. So there, I went back and forth a couple times. I will do one swatch really fast so you can see the difference. It did build up just a little bit. It's kind of almost a pinky red. It's not like a true red, I feel. All right, the next thing in here is from Space Case Cosmetics, and this is a blush, and they have like a little alien ship on it. That's kind of cute. That's a nice color. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of blushes because everybody is kind of over highlighters, I feel, and I haven't gotten any highlighters for a while. I feel like I'm getting blushes now. That's a pretty color. Not as glowy as the first one that I got, but still nice. All right, then we got this guy. This is from Cake. This is a Milkmaid Totally to Die For Indulgent Body Milk Cream with oat milk, candied cream, seriously beautifying. It is sealed. I already looked at this one because it was so late. I wanted to make sure if anything was wrong with any of my stuff that I checked it right away. All right, and then the last thing that came in my box is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. I'm going to show it to you. This one I'm going to definitely pass along because I have this one already. I don't have it in this type of a packaging, but I don't need another one. And I have the palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. It's a pretty bronzer. It's a nice bronzer. I think it's perfectly fine, but since I already do have it in multiple versions, I don't need to get it. I don't need another one anyway. Then the things that I did add-ons on were the Reka Illuminating Turmeric Polish, which is a face scrub. I thought that would be really good, and it is a company out of Austin, Texas, which I thought was kind of interesting. And then this I thought was a night serum. I don't know why, but it is an overnight mask. So I think that should be interesting. It's supposed to be a detox type mask, and it is from Skin Regimen. I don't really know that company. I'm not familiar with them. Then the last two things that I got, this is what I was going to start talking about. Oh, and this was the bag. You've probably already seen it. Silver with the green inside. It's fine. I got two Tarte blushes as add-ons because I wanted two different colors. But when I went to do all of my surveys for this stuff, they didn't count both of them. They only counted one of them, which was really annoying because I bought two of them. You should let me do and get points for both of them in my surveys. This first one is called Party Dress, and I love Tarte blushes. I think they're so good. This plastic doesn't want to come off. There we go. All right, so that's what it looks like, and we're gonna give it a nice swatch. It's a beautiful, slightly deeper. They're, they get so many different shades, but they all have such lovely depth to them, and I feel like even if they're super dark, you can still wear them because they really blend out well and are buildable. And then this one is called Kisses, which also is just beautiful. Oh, yeah, really like that shade as well. I'm going to be having a lot of fun with blushes. I've been having a lot of fun with blushes lately. I've been using a lot of new ones. So those were my Ipsys for both December and January. I'm hoping that moving forward, Ipsy gets a little bit better about getting boxes out to people, because I feel like if you're doing choice, I should already have my box before choice occurs, and this week I did choice before I got my box. My box came after we did choice. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on these 2 bags. What did you get in your boxes? Do you get your boxes faster than I do? I would love to know. I hope you are all having a fantastic day and a fantastic weekend. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.